So, yun guys. Dapat guys, pagka marunong kang, hindi naman totally marunong, no? Pero kung nakakaano ka man, nakaka-drums ka guys, dapat nakakakanta ka rin, di ba? Ngayon guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumanta. Medyo malungkot tong kakantahin ko, sana walang iyak ha. Ang title po ng kakantahin ko is Only Love Can Hurt Like This. Yung bago, yung kay Paloma, yun. So, yun guys. Siyempre, kung maangas kang nagda-drums, dapat maangas ka din kumakanta. Sana po magustuhan niyo yung video ko. Ayan, darling ko yan. Game. Pahingin mo ng tubig. Tubig.
Okay lang yung pagkatapos.
Tubig, game. So, yun guys. Sana pakinggan niyo yung tell myself you don't maintain, and what we got no hold me, but where you're not there I just scramble. I tell myself I don't care that much, but I feel like a die till I feel your touch. Only love, only love can hurt like this. Only love can hurt like this. Must been a deadly kiss. Only love can hurt like this. If you walk away, but every time there you there, I'm begging to stay and close. I just tremble, and every time you go, it's like a knife that cuts right now to my soul. Only love can hurt like this. Only love can hurt like this. Must that be kiss? Only love can hurt like this. Only love can hurt like this. Your kiss into my skin. Only love can hurt like this. But the sweetest pain, burning heart through my vein, love is torture, makes me more sure. Only love can hurt like this. Oh, 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 oh. Only love can hurt like this. Hey, must have been a deadly kiss. Only love can hurt like this. 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 So yun guys, maraming salamat. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung kanta ko. Medyo naiyak ako kasi sinasalob ko talaga yung kinakanta ko guys. Tsaka talagang sobrang nakakalungkot, no? So sana naintindihan yung lyrics. So yun guys, bye bye.